by viewer request, introducing the Symmetry Symmetry. This 2012 model with only 42 nozzle CFM does an amazing job with its incredible agitation that it goes almost but not quite by itself on this medium pile carpet. And for 18 or 19 pounds, depending on whether or not you count the cord being on or off, that's truly amazing. So let's go ahead and do an extreme carpet test. And if you can actually see the pile, well, the top of these little strands beginning to unwind, that's because this machine did it. Remember all those sand in the carpet tests? Well, I no longer use this simplicity to go and reset the carpet digging the sand out, not because it had a problem digging the sand out, but because it starts damaging the carpet while it's digging the sand out. This thing is phenomenal as far as agitation. Just incredible. Agitation that just won't quit. Agitation so extreme, it will make up for its low nozzle airflow. So let's put some flour under the carpet here. It will shake this carpet pile and keep those pores open very well. Put a little more down here. I make sure now that I only use this machine once every, maybe 4 to 6 weeks, maybe even 5 to 7 weeks, simply because it is so harsh on the carpet. But it's got a great sound. So let's see what happens. So on the top, there's nothing. It did a great job on the top. Down here, right on the cement, even with that little bit of gap between the cement and the top of the pile, it picked up most but not all. And underneath, it picked up some. I'll give it credit here for some. It did not clog those pores. I am just not seeing any giant blobs there. But starting here, you see where it smashed some. So it probably got some up in there, or maybe, you know what? Maybe it's just stuck in the carpet backing, but it did not clog the pores. So all hail the Simplicity Shredder. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.